we go. It's a little bit windy, folks, but yeah, I thought I'd do an update video on what's going on with my car. There's the ramps. I'm going to back the car up. If you would have seen in a previous video, I've got an ESP problem. Not extrasensory perception, no, an electronic stability problem. I think that's what it stands for. Anyway, let's get the car up on the ramps and hopefully see what's going on. Right, apologies for the wind because it is really windy today, even though it's still August. If you'd have seen a previous video, I would have explained how I managed to get this wheel to lock up under extreme rear braking. Well, I think the code's C1236, yes. So I was right in driving around. It's not the ABS pump, it's the wheel speed sensor on this side. Now I don't know how easy it is to take out, how easy it is to clean, and obviously, as you would have known, to all of people that support me and watch my channel, I am still recovering from my major cancer operation I had earlier this year. Even though it's half a year ago, it's going to be about another 5 to 6 months of recovery and another operation. But anyway, before I get blown over, let's put my comfort mat on the floor and have a look under here. Alright, so as you can see, this is all a bit crusty under here. It's all going to need a bit of a refresh, and I think the bit I need to get to is either there or at the top. I'm assuming up in here is the brake line. That's probably the handbrake. Now I thought the sensor went into the back of the hub, which is here. Yeah, it does look like it is. But how do you even see it? Right, let's have a poke around, because I think I want to be looking at that bit inside there. Well, it wouldn't be England, would it? Every time I go to work on my car, it pisses down. Here we go. Welcome back to day 2. Yes, now what I'm going to do today, because the rain has finally stopped, is just jack up this corner of the car, check the wheel to make sure it's not the wheel bearing, but as you would have seen, yes, it did flag up the sensor issue. So if I can, I'm going to take the wheel off, take the sensor out and just give it a clean, write down the part number and order a new one if cleaning doesn't work.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love, love that
Here we go, wheel is off. Unfortunately, the bit I need to get to is no easier to get to with the wheel off. So I've reapplied some copper grease onto the hub, and it's started to rain again. But just had a look at the inside of my wheel. Look at the dirt on that. Yeah, absolutely terrible. It's yeah, I'm gonna have to get some proper chemical cleaner on that, which I don't actually have. So that will be for a future video. Right, so the wheel's back on, the car's back up on these little ramps that I got. I've got my LED light, my little clips. I'm going to have another look at this thing because I'm basically doing this in between the autumn showers. Yes, it's proving to be a bit of a mare. Right, now apologies for the camera angle. I've got my basic light, as it says, my LED to save electric. I'm going to see if I can unplug the back of the sensor, because apparently that's what you do. And then there should be in there a T25 Torx bit. If I can undo it and free it, then I will at least be able to slide it out, look at the sensor. I'm sure it's not overly complicated as to the part I need, but plenty of cobwebs under here and surface rust. Only on, like, if you look at the anti-roll bar, all the coating's flaking off. I did actually paint all this a while ago. As you can see, it's all come off. I'm debating having it all dropped out. I'm not too sure whether I'm up to doing it yet. I've still got about another 5 months of recovery for my operation, plus I'm having another operation early next year in 2026, so don't know. I may farm it out, but everything's looking pretty good. It just needs a damn good clean. Right, again. So here we go. It was easier to unbolt the sensor than it was to unclip it actually in the back of the hub. There's yeah, hard to see. Quite dirty in there. But the end of the sensor is a bit dirty. Maybe the reason, probably not, but I will give it a clean. It's not heavily scored. Normally if it's got scratches going across, it's done for, but I'll give it a clean and see if I can get any numbers off of it. There we go. The item is out. Is my camera going to focus? Probably not. But yeah, there are some part numbers on it. I've given the sensor a clean because it was actually covered in dirt. There's some part numbers on the back, but I'm sure they're all pretty much universal. Anyway, having cleaned it, I'm not expecting this to work. I'm going to plug it back in, go for a wee drive and see how it is. But now I know how easy it is to get it out. Well, easy. It should be straightforward to replace. Whether it actually sorts the fault out, because it could actually be the bit in the hub that needs doing, who knows. But anyway, let's put it back in. There we go. A little hard to see, but it's all back in and nice and clean. If I do need to replace it, which I probably will do, the sensor I've given a clean, I basically just wiped it off because it is plastic. Didn't take the sensor apart. I didn't clean inside the back of the hub. I don't want to disturb anything, so it could be a bit of pickup on there. But it was good to see. I've taken some photos. I've got the part number off the back, so hopefully I'll get in touch with my supplier and get a part sent out in the next 2 days. And obviously you can guess what the next video is going to be about if cleaning it hasn't fixed it. Well, I've just been for a drive and the light is still on, so time to order a new sensor. If you want to see me fit the new sensor, and if that doesn't work, set fire to my car, then click on the subscribe button, because yeah, who wouldn't want to see that? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Share your experiences of the Mark II Focus ST, good or bad. Wow.